Manunto ka ng balsa. Na.
Ganda oh. Ganda ng rock formation.
Julia's got money. We'll get the ice cream then when it comes around again.
That's buko salad. That's not ice cream, ang buko salad.
Oh, what is it?
Buko salad.
Oh, buko salad. So it's coconut salad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like fruit salad, ma'am, with yung coconut. Like that.
Pero dun sa Olo, may nagtitinda ba sa bukas?
Kailan at Elsie?
Ang ganda-ganda.
Elsie.
Doon meron.
O, ang ice cream na yung tawag.
Ice. Yung ice. Ice na yan. Ice na.
Buti hindi maano yung tubig, malakas.
Natin doon.
Ito may mabibilang po doon sa may ilalabas. Hindi ba dadala doon?
How are you, Hazel?
Kaso yung local brand.
Ano po nila yung dalawa?
Ay, wala po pala. Anong local brand? Ice cream po.
I don't need life jacket for you.
Safety.
Up to the press. They're floating. They're floating.
Okay.
Magkadumba tapos na. From
I
there.
end lang yan.
Yeah, because
We'll wait
it's
till we
very
stop.
shallow there. You want to swim already?
Yeah.
So take off your shoes.
Ito, mababaw na.
Yeah. Okay. Leave the shoes here.
Just kind of wait for them to stop.
No, I just want to just take off my shoes. Oh my.
Okay. Good luck. You can jump.
Kilian is so excited to swim.
That's another group of ours, so you can go there. You can
Okay.
What is that, sir?
We will be
Ah, okay. Oh my God.
She's got a sweater on.
Okay.
Huh? You want to
You
turn it
want
on?
you want to wear shirt first. Yeah.
I want to get in.
Oh,
Just wet your shirt first.
do you want a hair tie?
Are you tied up?
I left the ones in the
Okay.
I think they're in my tent.
Okay. Good luck now. See. Okay.
Let me show you. Feel that money?
I like this.
Down. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Now they're on.
Now inside mo next time. Hey, you can swim on the side now.
We can swim now?
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
You have to hold that. You have to hold the the bamboo.
Pero you may be
What?
Hindi, palit mo, palit. Anong pang-ilalim? Tika.
Yeah, he's right. Doesn't sit properly.
Very shallow na. Careful, ha? It's so shallow already.